Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your about section of your iPhone, how you can check your iPhone's specification. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the settings of our phone. So I'm going to click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings, simply we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will be able to see the general option here. So we have to click on the general, and after that simply we have to click on the about section. As you can see, the first option will be about. So let's click on the about, and after clicking on about, you will be able to get all the details of your phone, like the name, iPhone, and iOS version. Model name is iPhone 12, and model number, serial number, coverage expired, everything is provided here. You can check out each and everything here. If you want to check out the battery health and service, you can also do that. You have to click on this. As you can see, the percentage, the lower percentage, the battery health and charging is also provided here. As you can see, 78. We are going to back again. You can check each and every option here. So in this way, you can check out your phone's specification of your iPhone. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.